Dear aspirant, welcome to Current Affairs for UPSC by ZAKI. Today we are going to discuss about the giant Antarctic iceberg A68. So, what is A68A and why this topic is in news and why this is the threat for the biodiversity and environment and why environmentalists concerned about A68. So if you want to know about all that, then stay with us for, for this video and see this video till the end. So before we going forward, you don't forget to subscribe my channel and tell your friend. So in this video, we also explain everything as you know, and also see the animation which about this A68A and know about what is iceberg and what is iceberg calving and etc. So stay with us and don't forget to subscribe my channel, tell your friend and share this video and tell your friend and share this video in your group, WhatsApp group, Telegram groups, and all that. So, so we can get more subscriber, and after our subscription reach to 500, then we will launch a special map class absolutely free for our 500 subscribers. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start today's topic, and today's topic is the giant Antarctic iceberg A68A. So why this A68A? The giant iceberg, basically A68, is the biggest block of free-floating ice from Antarctica with an area of 5,000 square kilometers. So it is about 4 times greater than the Greater London, and it is the half of the Hawaiian island and half of the Cyprus island in the size. So has been drifting from the Atlantic Ocean since 2007. This year, due to an ocean current, the iceberg was propelled into the South Atlantic Ocean after that. So if you see, since then, it has been drifting towards a remote subantarctic island, and it is called South Georgia, prompting fear about the impact of iceberg could have island abandoned by. So this island is called the treasure of the wildlife, treasure of the nature, treasure of the biodiversity. So scientists or environmentalists fear that they might disturb the abundant wildlife in this island, basically South Georgia Island. So we move forward and know about what is A68A and where is it A. So A68A, basically it is the iceberg name is A68, and A68 is the largest part of iceberg A68. When A68 drifted from the Antarctica, they finally drifted into A68A and A68B and A68C. After that, they moved towards the South Georgia Island, and when they reach the South Georgia Island, it's deep also. So we see the animation all about that. Uh, so move forward, and basically the largest ice, basically it is drifted from the Antarctica Larsen Sea Ice. So it is called Larsen Sea Ice. So since then it has been drifting towards the remote island, basically South Georgia is a British overseas territory, and short we can call it BO. And call it BO. So the biggest section of the iceberg is called A68a, and it spans an area of 2,600 square. So A68 is 5,800 square kilometer, and A68a is 2,600. So it is the largest part of the A68 iceberg. So who named the iceberg, and how the iceberg is naming, and who are responsible for the naming of these icebergs? So basically, the U.S. National Ice Center, in short we call it USNIC, U.S. National Ice Center, is responsible for the naming of the iceberg. Confirm that basically, and they confirm it that the two new iceberg calve from A68a, and that is E or F. So they are called A68E, A68. So who also calve from A68A. So move forward and see the A68 impact on our ecosystem, and basically ecosystem in the southern ocean, southern Atlantic Ocean. So here you see the fear is that if the iceberg ground itself near the island, means South Georgia Island, it could cause disruption in the local wildlife that caught in the ocean. Basically, we also interrupt the oceanic water and the life on the island terrestrial. So, as per the ecologist from the British Antarctic Survey, and in short, we can call it BAS, which will be launched a research mission to study A68's impact on the our ecosystem. And basically, this study began this year. And if the iceberg gets stuck in the island, the, it could mean that the penguins and the seals will have traveled farther to search for food. Basically, the food crisis increase penguins and the seals. And some of this might mean they don't get back into prevent their offspring starting. So it means their offspring may be died because of food. So move forward and see why did the iceberg calve? So what is iceberg calving, and why did the iceberg calve? Is it natural phenomenon, or is it induced by human-made climate change or human-made environmental degradation? So see, as per BS, British Antarctic Survey, the iceberg calving is thought to be a natural event. So, according to the British Antarctic Survey, it is a natural event, not result of climate change. Basically, the iceberg happening around the clock, and some of the small and some of the big iceberg. So, it is a natural phenomenon. But however, some models, some global warming model, contact that warming of Antarctica in the future, it could mean more calming event of the ice shelf. It means if the warmer ocean and warmer current meet the southern ocean, it means the rate of calming is increased. So global warming accelerates the rate of calming. So ice calming. So that's why the climate change is not directly but indirectly play a role of the iceberg calving, means speeding about the giant Antarctic iceberg A68, and we also explain what is iceberg calving and all that. And after our animation, you can clearly understand the A68a and their drifting and their calving towards the South Georgia and how they interacted their abundant wildlife in the South Georgia. So, see the animation. Animation of the iceberg is basically it is drifted from the Larsen Sea ice shelf in to the July 2017. So after that, date, basically, if you see, here is Larsen Sea ice. If you see the map of Antarctica, so see here is Larsen Sea ice. This is Ross Sea ice. So if you want to know all about that, then you must join our mapping class. And for mapping class is free for our 500 subscribers. Then you must subscribe our channel for that kind of video and also for the Zoom class. And after that, this special video for UPSC and ISBT, we also start a small video for the concept clarification. So if you want to know about what is calving, what is iceberg, why iceberg is more rapidly disappear in Arctic, not that is within Antarctic. So if you want to know all about that, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and also spread this video in your group, WhatsApp, and Telegram, and on Facebook. So we move forward and see, and that is it is Larsen series. So see here. So it is drifted and here A, and after the breakout here A, B and C, and after they move towards here and they lost some ice and it is called D, and after they reach, this is South Georgia Island, South Georgia Island, and it, basically they collide with the shallow sea surface, basically sea ice shelf. If you want more about what is sea ice shelf and all that, then you must join our geography class, and we explain with the clear animation and all that, and then you able to understand everything about the oceanography. So that is South Georgia Island, and this is so after what scientists recorded is new ice. This is A68D. This is A68a, which was combined earlier, then invented, and this is A68 E, and this is this small part is A68. So this is A68. So this is A68. So that's all. So we move forward and see this D. So basically, these ice shelves is the home of penguin and seals. So that's why the environmentalists concerned about that. And this is why this is drifted from the South Georgia, because the oceanic net completely. So see. And after that, okay, that is Larsen CI self here, and that is your A68. So the picture taken by the satellite. The satellite is called Copernicus satellite, and they drifted from. It is basically observed by the satellite. Is one of the largest iceberg, and it is the sixth largest iceberg recorded by satellite. So it is the sixth largest iceberg recorded by a satellite. So know about what is the uh, largest iceberg recorded by a satellite in day. So see the animation and know about. So see that this is called B15 iceberg. This iceberg is called B. This iceberg is called B15. B15 is the largest iceberg recorded by a satellite in 2000. Okay. And it is about 11,000 square kilometer. So your A68a is 5,800 square kilometer, and it is 11,000 kilometer, approx the size of double. So that is the largest ever iceberg recorded by a city. So that's why this is very significant. See. So this is taken. This figure taken by the satellite all time the ice calving is happening. So the sea is settling. Central satellite of this. So they scan it, and all that there is your Ross. It is Ross ice cell, and it is your Larsen ice. So that is ice calving. So what is ice calving? Basically, ice calving is the giant iceberg departed from the margin of the Antarctic. It's called ice calving. So see here, figure of the iceberg. And so, how scientists monitor with the satellite at the ground station of the ice calving and iceberg calving? So see here, it is also it is called heli station. Heli station and other data is this area, and all that source. And this is so. This is so about total 6 heli station basically situated in the Antarctica and various tracking the iceberg in the real time like a second. So iceberg calving is a natural phenomenon, and it is happen all the time. But after the global warming, the speeding of the ice calving is accelerate. So that's why this is very significant topic for the civil sciences examination. So we move forward, and our next section is question for the UPSC. So we move our next section. Next section is question for the UPSC. So see here, Question for the UPSC. Consider the following statements. The US National Ice Center, or we call it USNIC, is responsible for naming iceberg. Statement 1. Statement 2 is the iceberg A68a is the largest iceberg recorded by a satellite. So, as we earlier discussed about that, these icebergs are recorded by the satellite, and the iceberg A68 is one of the largest iceberg recorded by a satellite. So, statement second is the iceberg A68a is the largest iceberg recorded by a satellite in the history, or even recorded by the satellite. So, which of the above statement is correct? A, one only; B, two only; C, both one and two; D, neither one nor two. Please write your answer in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and tell your friends and colleagues. So you must subscribe for our channel for our some Zoom class, like the map class, and in future we also provide some of the benefits of our 500 subscription which are registered in my channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and tell your friends and colleagues about our initiation. So we move forward. Our next section. Next section is answer of the previous question. Consider the following statement. The scientists pick up the beam from the direction of the Pyroxima Centauri, which has been named BLC1, or we call it Breakthrough Listen Candidate 1. It is in short called BLC1. It is right. It is picked up from the Pyroxima Centauri. Second is Proxima Centauri is 4.2 light year away from the sun. It is also right. Because Proxima Centauri is 4.2 light year from our sun, or our solar system. So, second statement is also. Alpha Centauri C is 8 times heavier than the Proxima Centauri. It is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because Alpha Centauri C is the name of the Proxima Centauri. So it is same. The scientists first discovered the Proxima Centauri and named it Alpha Centauri C, because it is the part of the triple star system of the Alpha Centauri. So Proxima Centauri and Alpha Centauri is the same of the star. So it is not item heavier, it is the same star. So third one is wrong. So answer is, which of the above statement is correct? A, one only; B, two only; C, one and three; D, all of the above. So one only it is not, because two is also right. So it's wrong. One and two only it is right. One and three it is wrong. All of them. So answer is B. So your answer is so. That's all about the giant Antarctic iceberg A68. So, if you want more information about the environment, science tech, and all that terminology, then you must subscribe my channel, and you can also write in the comment box, and also you can contact me directly by our phone number given in our channel and about section. So please subscribe our channel, tell your friends, and share in all your groups, whether it is WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook. So don't forget to tell your friends and all about, and also our initiation about the mapping class. Mapping class is very significant for the all competitive examination, not only civil services examination, but all competitive examination. Mapping is very significant. So if you want to join mapping class free, then you must subscribe our channel. After 500 subscription, we will start our mapping class soon for free for our subscribers. So that's all about the giant Antarctic iceberg case system. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks a lot.